Time to get you a check of the forecast, and we'll start with the radar because we saw a line of showers and thunderstorms move through late yesterday. And now what we're left with are skies that are partly cloudy, but that wind behind the front is going to start bringing in some cooler, drier air. You can see what's left of the showers and storms here showing up on the radar that sits over near Zoo, Miami. And the storms are going to continue to move north of Andros out towards Great Abaco and Marsh Harbor. And for us, we're going to see our skies stay clear. Now, the rain moved pretty quickly yesterday, and the showers and thunderstorms weren't much at all to write home about. So our rainfall amounts were near 1/10 of an inch, both in Naples and Fort Myers. We were well shy of records. You can see the record back in 2021 of 2.05. Now, historically, we don't get a lot of rain in April, but it's definitely up from February and March. But we keep bumping up until we shoot way up to over 9 inches there to start our rainy season in June. So anything we get this time of year has to be with a cold front or some type of low, and we don't have anything like that at all in the 7-day forecast. Matter of fact, thanks to that wind coming in out of the northwest, 10 to 15 miles per hour and gusting in the low 20s still, that drier air is going to stay in place. And even though we'll be warm here over the next couple of days, it is so dry that we don't have any rain at all in the 7-day forecast. You can see the wind today starting to turn a little more north-northeast, 15 to 20 mile per hour gusts throughout the afternoon. We get a reinforcing shot of some cooler air with a weak little boundary that's going to move through, but it's going to allow the overnights and evening hours to be a little breezy with our winds gusting near 20 miles per hour all night long, and that will continue to pull in the dry air. Now, with that in mind, we do have a small craft advisory with seas 5 to 7 feet. Inland water's rough, and the water temperature is 76. So not only do we have a small craft advisory through this evening, but we have a high chance of rip currents out at the beach as well. Our temperatures here are in the mid to upper 60s with low 70s towards the southern parts of Collier County, and that's some 6 to 7 degrees cooler than where we were at this point yesterday. Dew point values dropping as well, so we're a little bit more comfortable, and our average is 85. We're going to go up to about 82 here this afternoon. Record is 95, set back in 2020. So we are forecasting low 80s here today. Overnight tonight, we're going to wake up in the 50s to start the weekend. An absolutely fantastic start there to your Saturday. And as we look across the rest of the U.S. here, you can see 30s and 40s between Omaha and Wichita, and then you got 50s there between Charleston, Atlanta, and Jacksonville. All of this is thanks to a big area of low pressure that's continuing to spin its way there through the northeast, but this high will build in behind the front and give us some nice weather. But boy, it's just been a gloomy stretch of weather here for parts of the Midwest and Northeast. You can see the cold front continuing to pull away today. We will be all sunshine today. We'll be all sunshine again tomorrow. As a matter of fact, the entire weekend looks sunny. As we look ahead towards Sunday, a few high-level clouds down to the southern part of the state. So let's get you over to the 7-day because this weekend is going to be beautiful. Low humidity. Temperatures do get a little hotter, but we stay with low humidity through Sunday, and then we get up in the low 90s there Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week as that heat really begins to ramp up. But we stay dry enough. No rain in the 7-day forecast.